what is the difference between a law and a rule? Well, a federal law requires a bill to go through a legislative session where a bunch of legislators vote on the bill. And if it goes to the president, then they sign it. And then it becomes a law or a statute. Now, a statute is like the framework or scaffolding of a building. It's basic and somewhat vague, intentionally. Now, a rule or regulation is built off of the statute to explain the law in greater detail, to help regulators understand how they will use the law. Now, a law or statute takes a lot of time, energy, money, and effort to change. Very difficult to create and very difficult to get rid of. But a rule or regulation can change much easier, and it could change every year or so. Now, the MOCRA, the Modernization of Cosmetic Regulation Act, is a law, and we have missed our window to stop it. Now it is going to allow the FDA to scrutinize all of our products, everything we use in tattooing. But luckily, they have not created any rules or regulations yet. We have the rest of this year to unite ourselves. If we can unite under the APT as tattoo artists, then we can guide the FDA on how to make the rules for this law. Now, I know that's kind of confusing. So if you would like to know more, go to the link in my bio and join the Body Art Regulation Support System. It's there I'll help explain everything you want to know. Also, join the APT. We need to build up our numbers so the FDA will take our industry serious, showing that we are working towards governing ourselves. It is in this way we can work to unify the tattoo industry.